All right, well, I'm going to try to explain this as quick as I can. So simply, all you have to do is go, this is the site. So I'm going to show this on the site. So this is the plugin. All you have to do is open up, load your world. You click over here. You'll see your 3D editor. Click on that. Go down to operations. This will bring up this. Go over here to this little folder, and then you make sure they're in here. I only got one extra plugin, but these are the default ones that come in it. So this will put it up top. This will have, it'll load this automatically as soon as you select it. This will be your window. You can move around. You got the chunk tool. I'll explain these individually later, but pretty much the one I just updated was this one. Now, if you don't want to go through the process of this and having the inventory edit in here, I do plan on making updates to this to actually edit chests, or I might just edit it to a simpler way. I don't know. I got plans to do like where I can select a chest and see what's inside of it. So, and then edit that like this. So if you don't want to use this to look at your local inventory, you can use this in the actual um, here. Standalone. I got this saved right here on the website. So you just click on that. You can download the villager editor, which opens up this window where you can select the world you want. Click on this. It'll load all the villagers that are in there. You just double click this. It'll bring up a little thing and it has the inventory. I just updated the inventory on all these. So that's all contained within the file itself. So you don't have to download anything but this executable. All the Python code's built into it. That's why it's so large. So you can click on whatever you want, brings up this window and you can scroll through. I didn't put no right click menus yet or anything. This is just standard, and I haven't got any more customizations yet like I do on the inventory plugin. Because on this one you can also, you can click on it, you can put anything. It just says it all. I have it all sorted and organized. So you can do this in the standalone, and you can also do it within the exe. So, and it's got a large menu. It's also got the menu up here. You can save. I still need to work on the save export inventory thing because it saves all the player data. So be careful because it'll actually put you back in time. So yeah, um, and changes your location. I gotta move the directory up. I still keep forgetting to do that. So that's not really that functional at this time, but you can drag and drop. I think that was, this doesn't have drag and drop. This just, you just select it, and then once you select something, double click, it'll put it down over here. So then you can change the value of count. I got these synced because the only way to get it to work, like if there's 11 here, it automatically changes where it needs to be. Otherwise, it just won't cooperate. But this is all the recipes you got. You can customize them now with whatever items, whatever. If there's two items, you can change both of them, but you can't remove or alter it yet. So I got some work to do on that. Still just like the first version. And then I got all the other ones. I'll go through those, but these are the most ones I just worked on, so they're fresh in my mind. Um, there's also other features. If you look through here, if there's a firework, you'll have an option to edit fireworks, customize them. It has when you actually select something, you can go edit the armor trims, edit the enchants, make unbreakable, edit the name and lore. You can edit the tag, keep after death, and yeah, you got copy and paste. Another thing is on the menu. You can, it takes a little while to load initially, but it doesn't take that long. You can hold, I think, the control key. You gotta be careful because if you when you let it go, it kind of like, it's a little janky. But Just be careful where you put the mouse when you're filling it in, because if you don't let go and click or something, it'll keep filling it all in. It's a little buggy right there, but you can also drag just individually. And if you hold shift, I believe, and drag, it makes, no, it's control. It's control, and then makes it 64. Let go of shift. And make sure, yeah, see how it changed that one? Seems to like linger for a second, but there's no undo, so just try to remember what was there. It's better just to go like this and then just change it, I suppose, because when I try to do the control thing, I don't know why it sticks. See, I'm just wondering why. If I go like that, but then if I touch the next one, it changes it to the next one. Minor bugs, but you can always just do this and then just do 64. That doesn't have an issue. Trying to use the control thing was the issue. That's just some of the minor issues there. What else? You save here. You got nested. You can open up your ender chest and put stuff in that. You can open up the containers and edit the chest in this, because this is a chest. You can also, it's automatically the way it's set. I set it up. You can literally save that, and now when you lay down all 64 of those, it'll have that chain in that spot. Because I can go, it should, anyways, let's see. Yep, it'll be in that spot. And you can even have nested chests. But just don't try to put a chest on top of a chest. It'll glitch. Like if you open this chest and you try to drag that chest into here. I haven't put any thing to prevent that, but let's just say it doesn't work out very well. I think that's about it. I think I'll make another video on explaining how to do this a little better. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Because it took a lot of time and work, and it was fun.